Okay. Yeah. So, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's session in the Women Ascension 1 Million Leadership 2030 series, hosted by our Department of Learning and Understanding AI and STEM. We're about to dive into a theme that is not only shaping the future of technology, but also reshaping how we learn, lead, and solve real-world problems. So, the agentic AI, artificial intelligence that acts with purpose, takes initiative, and can become a powerful assistant in our daily lives and career. So, our journey today will explore three main axes. What is agentic AI actually, the foundations, and why it matters, hands on exploration, seeing real tools in action, and finally building micro agentic tasks, imagining how to design your own AI powered task. So, this session will be about 130 minutes. So now it's with deep appreciation that I welcome someone who is not only a brilliant academic and innovator, but also a personal friend of mine, Dr. Muhammad Abdul Mahadem. He has never hesitated to continue to contribute to the mission and has always been generous in sharing his knowledge. And for that, I sincerely thank him. So, a brief introduction to Dr. Muhammad is an experienced educator, researcher, and academic leader with over a decade of serving as academic supervisor at a Saudi Electronic University. He oversees digital learning strategy, curriculum innovation, and leads a powerful transformation in tech-driven education. He holds a PhD in wireless sensor network, and his work bridges emerging technology like AI and automation with hands-on educational practices that empower both learners and educators. His passion is in creating accessible, personalized, and future-ready learning ecosystem. MashaAllah, Mr. Dr. Mohammed, this is really a rich career that you had. But now, my dear participant, I wanted to say something very important before we begin. We have officially entered the practical phase of this program, okay? So that means this workshop are not just for watching, they are for doing. I invite you to pause everything else, put distraction aside, and start documenting the steps, following closely, and apply what you see. Because let's be honest, attending one workshop for 1 hour or more will not make you a professional. Practice is the only way. You need to repeat, experiment, apply, and go deeper. Each mentor will give you the essentials, the foundation, but it's up to you to continue exploring. So you can watch YouTube tutorials, explore tools, build the project. This is how true learning happening in the digital age. So take this session seriously. Let's be your starting point for mastery. Dr. Muhammad, thank you again for being with us. We are honored to learn from you today and so excited to start this session. The floor is yours.
Thank you. Thank you for brief introduction, and thank you for brief introduction for the participants. Also, you have given a very clear disclaimer that this is not just something to hear and move on, but the things should be practical, and we have to implement it. Start doing it by from now. So thank you, one and all. All I would like to welcome all the participants and the organizers. I would like to thank you, all the organizers, for creating a platform where people can share the knowledge and can learn something globally. So nowadays, the learning is not bonded within some classrooms, but learning is completely unbounded virtually from around the corner of the different parts of the world. So again, once again, I would like to thank the organizers who have organized a beautiful platform to share the knowledge. So let's begin to the session, the introduction to the agentic AI. So here is about my LinkedIn and WhatsApp. If you want, the participants can connect with me on LinkedIn and WhatsApp. So this is just the beginning, and let's just keep in touch to share the knowledge. Sharing is caring. So here, excuse me. Yeah, AI is the new electricity. So are you ready to embrace it? Please type yes or no on the chat. Please type yes or no in the chat, Zoom chat. Please use the Zoom chat and participate with me. And this session will be more interactive, not just one way traffic. It will not be a one way interaction, but it will be two ways interaction. So please be with me, or if you are able to use two devices, that would be more great. Yes, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Great, great. Thank you. So AI is the new electricity. I hope you all know that. So we are all connected with the AI in the new platforms which are coming up daily, and there are daily updates which are we are seeing it and we are using it. So before we go ahead to the actual session, this is the outline. So we will be understanding about what are the AI agents, how AI agents can be built up, how we can build as no user, no voice user, and no coding, no coding approaches required, how the coding can be done, or how you can use it without no, single line of a code, how the future of AI agents can be, what are the latest trends in today's world, and we'll be followed up with question and answer session. So before we begin with the actual session, I would like you all to connect on to the OOCLAP event. Yeah. Participants can scan the QR code to connect on the OOCLAP, or else you can just click on the link which is shared on the chat. Dear participants, you can all just join using the scanning of this QR code which is on the screen, or else you can just click the link which is shared in the Zoom chat. Use the link from the Zoom chat and then join on the OOCLAP session. I hope the screen is visible and I'm very clearly audible. Please confirm. Am I audible very clearly and the screen is visible, I hope? Yes,
Yeah,
thank
perfect.
you.
Everything
Thank
is
you.
perfect. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for your confirmation. Yeah, please join the OOCLAP event and you will find a screen there. Once you join there, don't do anything, just be there till we go to the questions. So I'm waiting everyone to join the session. Please join. I have pasted the link on the chat, Zoom chat. Please join using the link. It's very simple. Just you can click there and you will be there inside the OOCLAP event. Okay, few seconds. We'll wait for few seconds, few more seconds.
Hello, dear doctor. Really I couldn't get the fine. So which link we should join?
It's in the Zoom chat. There is a link which is given to you. Just click on the link
Yeah,
and enter
just
it.
for a moment, Dr. Muhammad, you need also to paste the event code. It's
No
writing
need. No need of any event code.
EFPDEQ. Yeah.
No need of
Yeah, he
any event code.
demanded.
You just
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, it
Actually, no need
demand
of any event code. If it is asking, then you can enter. The event code is here. Actually, once you enter it, you will be having there as an option of raise your head. Don't click on anything. Don't click on sign up. Don't click cock of anything. Just once you click on that, you will be having a screen. That screen says raise your head and just be there. Don't click on any other options on the screen. Wonderful. 36 people have joined. That's wonderful. Wonderful. Great. Yes, I hope. Is there any issues? Let me know if you have any issues. Okay, let's go ahead to the questions there. Yeah, let me know about your professional background, work industry. Are you in education industry or IT industry or healthcare. What's your industry? Please let me know your work professional background. Healthcare, that one, that's wonderful, great. Humanitarian, research, education, and healthcare. Perfect. You all can type your answers. Still, if you have not joined, you can join using the link. This is the event code and the link is there in the chat. If you have not joined, then you can join and you can type your answers. Education. These are the word cloud. Teaching. Perfect. Education, subject teacher with geography and English. Perfect. Education and healthcare, humanitarian research, law, NGO. Wonderful. Perfect. And these are the result grids. I am a teacher. Okay. Perfect. Still, I'm expecting more answers so I can know you well so that the session will be delivered according to your professional background. So I can know whether you are aligned with IT, more IT or non-IT, basically. So I can explain you according to the way with IT and non-IT. Because this topic in deep is with mostly with IT. So like required some basic knowledge of coding, basic knowledge of what we call the computers and all other architectures and all. Perfect. Thank you. Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful. That's very good. Thank you. Thank you, one and all, to participate and to let me know your professions. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, let's go ahead. Spot the AI or not AI in your life. So you need to match this. This is the matching activity. So you have to match like which is AI and which is not AI. Like self-driving cars, facial recognition systems, digital cameras, solar panels, smart home devices, 3D printing, quantum computing. So you can match all, then submit it. So you will be finding your answer on the screen. That's why I requested if you can join with the two devices, that would be great. Yep, there is a one answer here. Wonderful. Not AI, this is AI, digital cameras, yes. Then I'll show you the right answer so that you can match your answers with the right one. I'll extend the time. Only one have got submitted the answer. Still, I'm waiting for all others to participate in this activity to match that AI and not AI. Because we are overwhelmed with all the word AI called AI, right? So we should know what exactly which AI and what is AI. Everything is not AI. Yeah. So we are getting the answers. Perfect. Two people have submitted the answer. I know it will take time. That's why I have requested to have the session more like 1.5 hour session, not just a 1 hour session, because 1 hour session will be very quick. Yes, Laili Nemati, you have raised your hands. Do you have any question? Can someone can help
Your
her?
mic, yeah. Yeah, your mic is noisy, Riyali. Please check your network, or you can write it on the chat, please.
Yes, that's better. If you
Yes,
can't
I
speak, then you
said
can
I
write it
can
down.
submit. What is wrong about it?
You have to answer all the questions. Maybe you are missing it with one of that. If you miss one, then you cannot submit.
No, but I
Eight people
select all
have.
of answers.
check
In
it.
the end,
Maybe
you
there
need to
is
valid, yeah. You press valid in the blue button, yeah, to send it.
9 people have submitted. That's wonderful.
Yeah, Maria, go, my dear.
I have a question. When I like select the option and try to submit, the option just gone. Like there is a option like choose the correct one. I have selected everyone option, but it can't be submitted.
Maybe there is one missing. You just check that.
Okay, I will check, but I have checked 3 to 4 times. I select all question answers, and then when I try to submit it, they all gone.
Maybe there is some issue. Check it once again.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
Mahtab.
Yes, I just wanted to say about this issue. Those people that they cannot submit, this is like we have some questions, and also we have that much options too. So for each questions, we have to have just one answer. So we cannot
One
choose that
answer.
answer for the other
Yes,
questions. Yeah.
exactly. Yeah, exactly. Wonderful. 15 people have submitted, and let's see the right and the correct answer for this. Okay. So this is the right answer. Here you all can compare your answers who all have submitted. So self-driving cars, that is AI. Facial recognition system is also AI. Digital cameras, not AI. Solar panels, not AI. Smart home devices, maybe AI. That's in the coming days. That will be with AI. 3D printings, not AI. Quantum computing, not AI. Okay. So this is the right answer. So before we go ahead with is there anything wrong? Yeah. So before we go ahead to the next question, I'll go to the presentation there. Okay. So we'll just see what is the umbrella with AI and all other different terminologies with artificial intelligence. Basically, we all know nowadays that it's like a artificial intelligence, the word which is commonly we are talking in around us, right? So this artificial intelligence is not something new. The artificial intelligence was that word termed in back to the eras and back in 1970s and more before 1970s by Alan Turing, and there were many other scientists to use this word artificial intelligence. And then there are many other terminologies came in, that is machine learning, which is the ability to train the machines, train the computers, train many other digital devices to act like human beings. And then there was another development came, that is deep learning. Deep learning with transformers allowed computers to perform the complex task, like we have supercomputers which are helpful to perform that big like large data analysis like weather forecasting and dashboards, and there are many other examples we know. Then we came across the word that is called as generative AI in 2022. But this is not exactly in 2022. Before that, also the generative AI word was evolved into the research, but not widely used within the public. When ChatGPT launched, the word we got it, the word ChatGPT, then we came to know the another word, another terminology that added with the vocabulary of artificial intelligence, that is called as artificial intelligence with generative AI. What generative AI can do and what it's doing it, we all know that. I hope you all are using generative AI tools to generate some text, videos, images, and lot more things. I hope you all are using it. I'm considering that you all are using these AI tools. I hope if you all are using it, please type yes or no. Yes, wonderful. That's good. Yeah, that's good. So we all are using the generative AI tools to generate emails, to generate text, to generate research, to generate this and that, whatever, whatnot. So we all are using that now. Maybe we may use it as our like we are using like calculators, we are using computers, like this we may use it as in our daily life. So that's how these terminologies are concepted, that is AI, Gen AI and AI agents, and then coming up with agentic AI. What this agentic AI is termed as? The agentic AI termed to automate your workflows. That is how the AI agents and agentic AI is termed in the coming days. We'll go ahead with the short brief history about AI. So AI was started with narrow AI. This narrow AI was the weak AI. As we all know that the computers were used to play the games with a human being. That is what the narrow AI. So computers would understand the move of the chess. If you have played the chess with a computer, then you may understand how smartly computer detects your moves, and then it plays and it gives you the move. The next move will be very smarter than your move. That is what the narrow AI. This is one example. Then we have general AI, the present AI, what we call it as a artificial general intelligence, where we are able to generate text, we are able to generate videos, we are able to generate images, 3D models and whatnot. We have many different applications where just with the help of a text, you will be able to generate whatever you want it, whatever you like it, however you like it. That is what we call it as now the present general AI. Then coming up the future, that is called as super AI. The super AI is which will be in the terms of agentic AI and AI agents now, where we will be able to automate the workflows, automate your works with just a click. That is what exactly the super AI which is coming now. And this super AI will be associated with the physical AI. What is this physical AI? The robots will be configured with the AI models so that they will be able to take the decisions, like the examples of this one. Not exactly, but it's a nearby example we can say, that is vacuum cleaner, robotic vacuum cleaner. I hope you all know about it, and you may have seen the videos or advertisements where your room will be cleaned whenever it is detecting some dirt in the room. That is robotic vacuum cleaners. And then robotic waiters are there in the restaurants, where they will take your order and they will be placing on the table till you give the order, and then you will get an invoice at the last. That's what we have, the physical AI, which will be now associated with the generative AI terms. I hope you all know these examples. I'm assuming that you have seen these videos as well. Now, the artificial general intelligence, as I said, and there is a quotation which has to be, we should know that by 2028, agentic AI will make 15% of daily work decisions. And it's not something predicted, but it has already started. IBM already started this work, and I hope you have seen few months ago, there was a news that IBM has replaced 200 what we call HR people, as a person is replaced with an AI agent. That is what exactly is happening in the industry. So what exactly AI agents is? AI agents, as I said, it is an automated tool where it will perceive its environment, it will detect what exactly is happening and what you wanted, that will be achieving based on those environment and the perceptions and the memory what it has. The memory will be based on the repetitive task, what you are asking it, what's been done before, what's been doing it present. It will, based on that memory, it will help you to get it done, and the automation will be done. That is what exactly the AI agents. Here the diagram which shows the AI, and that is an AI agent with the planning tools, memory, all those things will be helpful to build up an AI agent. The examples are the recommendation systems, self-driving cars, and the key traits of these AI agents is autonomy, environment sensing, goal-directed behavior, and adaptability. This is so much very critical point, that it adopts the technology adopts your own mentality, your own way of thinking, your own way of requirements. That is what exactly the AI agents. So before we go ahead to this slide, I would like to go back to the question of the OOCLAP. Yes, which historical AI breakthrough impresses you the most? So here there are a few things which have been given. If you know it historically, you can answer it. You can one more thing, disclaimer is don't leave the OOCLAP session. Okay, I'll be giving you the questions in between so that you have to answer this. So you can just choose your answers who all have joined earlier. If you have left it, come back again and then join it again. Yes. So you can see the years also. ELISA is one of the agent in 1966. So this is, as I said, the artificial intelligence. The word is not something new. It's very old term. So if you know these answers, yeah, ChatGPT, everyone knows that is from 2020s and 2022 when we got to know about ChatGPTs. But these are the few things which we have it already. What we call the AI agents. What the terms was not given exactly the AI agents, but they were working as AI agents. Yep, that's okay. Fine. We'll go back to the slide. Yeah, here Elisa is one of the first AI agent, was first conversational agent simulating the psychotherapist, which was created by Joseph. And there was another agent which was developed and which was created in 1997. The IBM's chess computer. I hope you all know this chess computer AI agent defeated the world champion chess champion, that is Gary. So he was the world champion in chess, and this AI agent of the computer defeated him. And there was another AI agent defeated world champion Lee Sedol at Go. That was Google's DeepMind. This is another agent which was created by Google. This is another agent that was created in 1997 by IBM. So the companies what we know, the IBM, Microsoft, Google, they are already into this research and they are working on these things. But it's not into the public. But now we came to know that there are many other things which are coming to us and we can automate our works as well. That is what the AI agents history is. So what are the different types of AI agents are? So basically we have four types of AI agents, which are categorically, we can say that one is simple reflex agent, and then the other one is model based agent. The other one is goal based agent, and the fourth one is learning agent. So these are the category of AI agents, or we can move further to agentic AI. Then what is simplex reflex agent? This is a react to immediate output and works on condition action rules. This is a very simple one. Like as I have given example that a vacuum cleaner that turns when it hits a wall, turns off and reacts, and it gets charged also. It will turn the charging on, reacts only to the current situation. That is one example of a simple reflex agent. I hope you all know vacuum cleaner, robotic vacuum cleaner. Please type yes or no if you have already seen this. In the market, it is already available. Please type yes or no. It is already available in the market, Amazon, online, e-commerce. I hope you have seen the videos also if you have not bought it. Yeah. So the vacuum cleaners, which cleans your room, that's an example of one of the simple reflex agent. So that is without memory. It doesn't have a memory to sense it, but it works based on a condition. So that the conditional loops are programmed based on that this agent will work. So the another one is model-based reflex agent. So what is the model-based reflex agent? So this has internal state history, that it has a memory. So this memory will remember the previous data or the previous commands. Based on the previous commands, it will work. So that uses the memory. As we human beings use our memory, what happened earlier, so how we have to act it. So whenever we will act somewhere, we will remember the past, right? So based on the past, we will act accordingly. As we do, as we have our brain, we do that with the like memory, and the same thing we will be working with the agent also. That's why we say that a artificial intelligence is a mimicking the human brain. That is what exactly the artificial intelligence is defined. So that has internal memory. The example is a thermostat that remembers the past temperature trends. I hope you all know that nowadays the smart IoT systems are there. So these smart IoT systems like AC controlling or the home control, home automation. So if you want to save the energy, like we all are talking about the saving energy in our home, saving energy to save our electricity bills and save the planet and all sustainable goals. So when we are talking about all those things, we need to remember something. Those devices should remember those things, right? So how that should be done, how that should get acted. So that is what exactly this model based reflex agent works with the memory. Then goal-based agent. This goal-based agent is one of the example with a chessboard aiming to win the game. As we all know that I have given example like Elisa, and there is one other example of the Google DeepMind, IBM Chess Champion. These are the few examples like goal-based agents. So these goal-based agents plan to achieve some goals. If you have given some a task to achieve it, like I needed this one in this way, then that will do it and that will stop it. That is what exactly the goal based agent. So this is one of the type and one of the category of the AI agent. Then we have learning agent. The learning agent has four parts. One is the critics, that is it learns from the feedback, performance elements, and the problem generator. So it has learning element, and the another one is critics and the performance element and the problem generator. So the best example of this learning agent is ChatGPT itself. We all know that when the ChatGPT started in 2022 November, how that was and what exactly now we are using the ChatGPT. Which was not connected with the internet. Now it is connected with the internet, which can generate the references. If you are using the research and if you are going to the research with the chat gpt, then you will be feeling the difference of that chat gpt and now what we have the chat gpt. Not only that, but we have many developments which we got it like from 3.5 gpt 3.5, then we got it gpt 4.0, and now we are using chat gpt 5. Not only that, we can use chat gpt with voice model. You can just talk to the ChatGPT and learn whatever you wanted. And if you turn on the memory, then it will remember what exactly where you stopped it, and you can move from there. If you want to learn any language like Duolingo or any other applications, if you want, is the same thing. You can do it with the ChatGPT as well. That is what is an example of learning agent. So how do the AI agent work? The architecture shows up. So here, as we all know that the computers has input, the processor and the output. The same model, the similar model works with the AI agents also. The input which a user gives and creates an input, what exactly he requires. Then we have a processing. The processor will work to give to process the requirement from the user. Then it will give you the output what exactly how the user wants it. So this is an example, that diagram what it shows here. The text, sensors, APIs and all other things will be integrated as input. Then that will be given to the agent module, where in the agent module you can see the perception, reasoning, planning and memory. This is an AI generated image. That's why you can see the spellings are not correct. That is what that example. That's why I've given you this picture was pasted to know what exactly how the AI agents works out. Then automation and device controls can be done. This is a simple architecture, but there are many in-deep technical architectures are there. I don't think so that needed as of now, but just to overall and overview, we have to know what is exactly the technical architecture in general. Then this is another diagram which shows sensing as an input. Users input will be taken up with many different devices, whether it is a digital cameras, whether it is mic, whether it is voice based, or whether it is digital image based, or whatever the things you can give the input as, and then it will reason. That is, reasoning will be done. It will think. Okay, ChatGPT will think a minute and to give you the output. Then it will plan, coordinate, and then acting, and then learning and adoption. Those all the steps will be followed up when you will be getting an output from AI agents. Then AI study agent architectures are based on the reactive agents, hybrid architectures. It's not only just one architecture is used. There are multi-model agents are there. So multi-model agents uses multi-agent systems. These are the different algorithms which are used in the agentic AI and AI agents, where we call it as search algorithms. Mostly, if you are IT background, then they may have come across these terminologies. Not for non-IT, I'm not asking you to just break your heads on this. Just go through that. Reinforcement learning, that is one of the algorithms for the machine learning. Then we have planning, and then natural language processing, where this natural language processing, the examples are like Siri. We all know about Siri, how Siri understands, how Siri will just give you all the things can be done. Like you can set up an alarm, you can set up a reminder. If you want to call someone, just tell the Siri that give a contact and tell you to call it, then Siri will do that. That is what an example of learning natural language processing. And there is another example of the best example is Alexa. Alexa is also one of the example of NLP, that is natural language processing. And this NLP is adopted with all AI agents, whether you are using Gemini, whether you are using ChatGPT, whether you are using whatever you want it. That is how all these natural language processing understands. I'll just give you one example with ChatGPT itself. So hello ChatGPT.
Anything else you need, or if you haven't, just say.
Yeah, will you able to introduce me with the gathering?
Absolutely not. I need to do that. Just let me know when you're on, and I'll give you a walk into. Let's make it a bit.
Yes, go ahead.
All right, here we go. Good morning, afternoon, evening, everyone. It's my pleasure to introduce our speaker of the plan. Ultimately, good to meet.
Yeah, I think there is some network issues. That's why the voice is not clear, but you can interact with the chat GPT. This is one voice-based agent also. If you want to learn something else, like with the this type of agents, then that is also possible. I'll just give another example that.
Hey, Abdul, welcome back. What's on your mind today?
Will you help me to learn any language?
Absolutely. I'd love to help you out. Just name the language you want to dive into, and we'll get started with some basics or fun phrases.
Arabic language.
Sure thing. Let's jump into Arabic. We can start off with a few greetings if you like. For example, hello in Arabic is marhaban, marhaban. So let me know what kind of phrases you want to learn, and we'll keep you rolling.
Thank you. Thank you. Wonderful. So this is an example of natural language processing, where it understands our own language and it will help us to do what exactly we want. This is voice-based agent, and this is not just, this is a very simple example what I have shown it. But nowadays, digital marketing and the companies have replaced human customer service representatives with AI agents. So like, for example, most of you have experienced IVR calls when you want to call the banks and all. So you will be represented with an IVR calls, though these IVR calls are replaced with the AI agents. That is the technology. So this is an example. So what are the core concepts? That is perception, the sensing environment, decision making, action and executing task, and feedback loops. This is the core concepts of an AI agent. Yeah. So coding and versus non-coding approaches. Yes, we have coding full flexibility to code the AI agents with different programming languages, mostly like JavaScript and Python, and there are many other programming languages which includes to help you to code the AI agents with from the basic level to the full high level edges. And there are few platforms, not few, there are many platforms available now, that is no code platforms, where you will not be coding or writing a single line of code. You just give the command. Based on your command, your agent will be ready to start work with you. That is what the no code approach and no code working. So this as an example of AI agent and agentic AI agent, which is mostly autonomous software that performs specific tasks. That is AI agent. And what is agentic AI? Agentic AI has multiple AI agents collaborating to achieve complex goals. Then high autonomy with specific tasks. That's again the with a specific one that is works with AI agent. We can say a single autonomy that can be performed with AI agents, and multiple autonomy or multiple autonomous things that can be performed with agentic AI. So mostly we can see there is an example of agentic AI which is connected with multiple inputs, multiple resources, which has to sense all these resources and takes out the decision. That is works with agentic AI, which can learn and adopt across the wide range of tasks. Here it's with a specific domain, specific task and specific task. This is a very basic difference between AI agent and agentic AI. Then I hope you all know about prompt engineering. Please text yes or no about prompt engineering. Do you all know about prompt engineering? I hope the session was already finished within this cohort. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Very nice. Most of you have already know that, right? Let's see the question there. Yeah. Okay, we'll go back to this one later. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so most of you know and few don't know. So I'll just give you very quick about prompt engineering and context engineering. So why I have included this one is we know about AI tools which works with the prompt engineering, which is doesn't work like we do in the Google or any other platforms. So these all AI tools or AI chatbot understands prompts. Basically, what is the prompt? Prompt is a clear and a very defined question with a better input to get expected and to get very clear output. That is better input, better output. Garbage in, garbage out. The same concept as we do in the programming language. Better input, better output. That is exactly called as prompt engineering. So here you can see involves crafting and refining inputs to guide AI models towards the desired response. That is why I have termed that is better input, better output in a very simple way, BIBO. Then now with the AI agents, this prompt engineering will not work. So prompt engineering will work. AI agents will be updated with the contextual engineering. What is this contextual engineering? Contextual engineering is building systems to write information, tools in the right format. So we have to define which exactly the tools should be used, which information should be gathered from which resources. That is what exactly the contextual engineering. That's different than prompt engineering. So this works with the static predefined inputs, but here written for dynamic and multiple sources, that is called as context engineering or contextual engineering. Okay. Now, before we go ahead, let's go back to the OOCLAP session. So I would like you all to identify the AI tools. Just you have to pin this based on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So come back to the OOCLAP. So I can know what are the tools you know from these logos. These are the logos of different AI companies. Thank you, Ms. Hanan. You have given the definitions for the prompt and the contextual engineering. Perfect. Yeah, I would like you all to participate with the AI applications. There are many AI applications which are shown here in the form of logos. So let's see how many of you know about these applications. I'm extending the time so everyone can participate in this activity. We can say that these are AI agents also because they are helping us to automate some tasks like generating presentations, generating infographics, understanding your PDF and all the books and all. This can be an example of AI agents also, part of it, not exactly, but part of it. 11 people have participated. If is there any difficulty, then let's. Not all free, but they are all free, but till some extent. Wonderful. Perfect. 12 people have participated. I'll give few more seconds. Few more seconds to participate, and I encourage everyone to participate there. That's something I hope you are enjoying this activity while identifying the AI tools. Is it something good? If you are not able to participate there, you can chat. You can just type in the chat also the names of this. Which one is which one? Let me know in the chat if you can identify the logos. If you can identify the logos, you can chat like one is this one, two is this one, something like that. Wonderful. Okay, so let's see the right answers there after the 34 seconds. Gamma is 4, okay. Gamma is 4, okay. Wonderful. Notebook is 2, okay. So you are already using that. That's good. Yes, ChatGPT is with voice based. You can use it. Head puzzle is also one. Wonderful. Yep. Perfect. Okay. So let's see the right answers. Yeah, these are the right answers here. This is the napkin. This is one of the AI applications which will help you to get you the infographics. Wonderful infographics. You will get it, whatever the text you give it. And there is this one, the second one is Notebook LM. This Notebook LM is one of the tool which helps you to give insights of your documents. You can just give the resources to get podcast, videos, and the summary of anything. If you give a long video, then you will be finding the complete summary of that, and you can get the context very clearly with the Notebook LM. It's a very wonderful application. This is one of the query part which can be used in your teaching if you are a teacher, that which will generate lesson plans with a more interactive presentation. This is Gamma. Gamma is an application where you will be able to generate automated infographic and interactive presentations based on your content and automatically if you just give the prompt. This is one of the application which is Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is also can be used for the teaching and research, for the video based assessments, and this is one of the chatbot like ChatGPT Cloud. These are the applications which we have it. Okay. Yes, Lovable is also one which will give you automated applications and websites. Yeah. So this is AI agent and agentic AI. This is another example of the system prompts and memory and all other details. So the examples of many different things, what we have it like AI agents, AI assistants, AI bots. This is a very quick summary to understand what exactly AI bots are, AI assistants and AI agents. So this is a very quick summary. Then we have the environment model, that agents, interactions, and environment, how the things will work out. Then perception action loop, which will help the AI agents to sense it, think and act accordingly, and that can give you the exactly the output what exactly you want it and how you require it. Designing the AI agent architecture, that's in deep things. We have the perception models, what are the things we needed, like sensors, inputs, APIs and data pre-processing. All those things are needed when we need to perceive or understand what the requirement is. Then logic models are used for the machine learning algorithms like rule engines, and machine learning models like reinforcement algorithms, and there are many other different algorithms which are used like state managements and all. Actuator models, which are like, for example, if you are using robotic hands or haptics, there you need to have some motors and all to get the outputs. That is an architecture which includes with actuator models as well. So AI agents is a game changer. So latest trends, multi-model agents are there with Gemini, GPT-5. I'm going to show you these examples as well. Long-term memory, physical integrations, benchmarking with, there are many other examples which are already available like Lovable, ManyChat. Instagram chats can be automated. Like if you have millions of followers and then you want to just automate the chat, then if you tell someone to comment, then once the comment is received, automatically the message will be sent to the user. That is what exactly these social media chats also available. As I give example like customer chats, that also can be automated with voice, and voice AI agent can talk to the customer to solve his problems exactly a human being is solving it. So the best practices is to start with simple, as initially when the session started it was said that start with practical and we have to start exploring these applications. Until unless things comes on our head, we have to start all those things with our own practice. We have to gather in the information. There are a lot of things which are available free of cost. No need to pay a single penny. No need to just spend anything. You have all the information which is already available free of cost. Just you have to explore it, iterate the things, get the things on board and start exploring and start doing it practically. Automate your own task. Very simple task. Start very simple task and automate it. Prioritize what exactly you need it and then test thoroughly, and then you will be the master. Then avoiding ethics, we have to avoid unintended consequences. That's like something using ethical way. Transparency and explainability, like for example if you are using something for the work, you should be transparent that you have, yes, I'm using AI agents, I'm using AI tools. Transparent, be transparent. No need to worry, no need to be in fear that everyone is using nowadays. Privacy and security, yes, this is very important concern. If you are using for workflows and within your work purpose, you have to check what are the ethics, what are the rules, what are the policies from your organization when you are sharing the sensitive data, when you are sharing your own data. This is very important to know, because the data which is you are sharing it, which will be publicly available, and those models are using the data which is given by you. That's why you have to be very promptly understand what exactly you are using it. The examples of the real world examples like virtual assistants, Alexa, Siri, autonomous vehicles. I hope you all know about Tesla, smart home automation. I have given example, customer service bots. I have given example of these things, right? So rule based chatbots, you can start building up. Maze solving robot simulations, you can do that. Recommendation engines also available. You can start building up your own agents. I'll show you few examples with Gemini Gems, U.com, AI agents available, copy AI workflows. You can scrap the websites. Notebook LM is also one of the example. So AI won't replace humans, but humans with AI will replace humans without AI. This is the quotation was given back in last 2 years back when the ChatGPT launched, and people were having a myth that it was a myth that AI will take our jobs. That will not happen, but still humans exist. With AI, those will be replaced without AI. These are the prompted jobs which will be coming in coming years, like AI prompt engineer, machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI project, NLP engineer, chatbots models. These are the different like what we call the jobs in demand which will be coming in few years, and that's already there but not much, but that will be in the coming years. You will be seeing these all titles of those job descriptions will be there. So there's case studies. I'm going to show you one video of IBM Watson. So you will be amazed by seeing the automation of these.
Watson X HR
IBM.
agents are pre-built AI agents that accelerate HR modernization and provide fast, self-serve support to employees,
Hear the sound from the
managers,
video.
and HR professionals. Let's
Are you
explore
able
how
to
it
hear the
works.
sound?
With Watson
Yeah.
X
Thank you.
HR agents, users can quickly get answers and complete tasks like requesting time off, enrolling in benefits, updating profiles, transferring employees, and more, all from one interface. The agent uses conversational search to return answers from policy documents, tracing back to the source for trustworthiness. Employees can ask for suggestions like which health plan to enroll in. Watson X HR agents keep users on the right path as they navigate complex inputs, handle interruptions and topic changes. They can even self-correct when users change their mind or make a mistake. Managers can easily execute employee promotions by filling the forms with the necessary information. The agent follows a more prescriptive flow due to its sensitive nature, offering you with more control and security over how LLMs are used in the agent. Managers can seamlessly move from employee support tasks to talent acquisition workflows because the agent can reason and route across use cases with its inherent reasoning engine. Now that you've seen how powerful the end user experience can be, take a look at how easy it is to set up. Watson X HR agents offer a catalog of pre-built skills integrated with your tech stack, including Workday, SAP, and Oracle. These accelerators allow your HR teams to quickly configure and fulfill complex
Yeah, this was an very simple example. I'm not marketing IBM, but I just gave the example how HR agent is controlling all the flow of an HR, like basically what HR can do to list out the employees, works, all those things can be done by the an AI agent. That is one example of this one. Okay. And then the few other examples I'll give you. This was an example of this case study. Then we have a few examples of from jot forms, N8N. I hope you all have heard about N8N. Before we go ahead, we'll just go to the next question from here. Yeah, we'll go to this question. Examples of AI agents. Please answer this one. Oh, Wahid Farjat. Yes, you can unmute. Meanwhile, people can answer this question.
Oh, hello. Thank you very much for the nice session and the nice concept. It really helps us a lot. So my question is, because my field is mostly on disaster, climate change, I would wonder if you could share examples of AI being used successfully for climate change adaptation, disaster risk reduction, or early warning systems? It is my first question. And the second question I would like to ask is like, is there any good website, AI website that humanize our texts? For example, we develop a text like, let's say, an essay or recommendation letter or whatever, and now we want to make sure if how much is it is AI use, or how much is it is humanized. I hope I could
I got
send my message
yes, I got
easily.
it.
Yeah, thank you very
Yeah.
much.
Yeah, first thing regarding the disaster management AI agents, I don't think so. I'd have explored it on that subject because it's something which I got from you. But for sure, I hope few weather forecasting elements on the AI agents are available for these things. We have to explore it. Okay. And the second question, yes, we have few softwares that is I authenticate and turn it in, which you do it for the plagiarism if you are writing a research paper. Like for example, if you are taking the data from AI applications, if you want to know how much AI content is there, yes, you can know that from the Turnitin software and I authenticate, but it is not freely available. You have to pay for that. I hope I have answered your question.
Oh, thank you very much. And the last thing, I would wonder if there is any way in the future or currently we can use AI offline. For example, we are living in Afghanistan. In Afghanistan, some days ago, the internet was cut off across Afghanistan. We were disconnected. Unfortunately, we were disconnected from the world. Although during these 2 or 3 days of disconnection of internet, we really needed AI use for example, especially those students who were winning applicants or other scholarship applicants. They really, needed the use of AI, and I would highly appreciate if you guide me if there is any source of AI in form of offline.
Yes, I got your
That's the
question.
last question. Thank you very much.
Yeah, yes, I got your question. Yes, you can install like ChatGPT in your local machine using Olama open source. You have to download this one. You have to train your machine. You need a little bit high configured laptop, and then you can able to create your own ChatGPT type of application that will work offline without need of any internet. That is called as Olama. You can explore it and you can install on your own machine. Yes, that's wonderful. So I hope people have not answering there, but let's move to the next one. Yes, here. So this is N8N. This is the workflow which looks like this. Here, a user can give a prompt, and then an AI agent will be connected. And here you can see a model which will be connected with AI agent like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, and all others. And then there will be a memory you can connect or you cannot connect. It is up to you. You can connect N8N memory. Then you will be connecting with the tools, whatever the tools you require. Then if you want, you can connect with the different tools which you require it as an output. So these are the use cases which are already available here. You can see plug AI into your own data. Over 500 integrations already people have created those integrations. And if you go to the community, you will find many creators which have already done, and they have already started their automations. Like if you want to, you can automate your complete workflows automatically with just a click. You just click it, start your automation, then you will be able to start that. But you need to host it on your websites, and then that will be possible. The templates are already available. You can do that, directly do that, and you can create it. So there are many applications which are available. I hope most of you have explored it. If you have not done, you can explore it. You can create your own web account on this one, which is not free, but you can get it for free for some workflows with hosting on your own websites. And then very simple chat agent, we can say, that is which is available on chat GPT, which has a name of called as GPTs. What is this GPTs? That is generative pre-transformed agents are already available, which are available in different categories, like Write for Me for the research, Scholar GPT for the research, Consciousness for the research, AI PDF Drive chat. Just click and then you will be able to drive in. And what is the difference between this GPT and a new chat? So new chat requires a proper prompt. Like you need to give a prompt engineering how exactly that question should be understood by the chat GPT. That is a new chat will start. But what happens with the GPTs? GPTs already trained based on the category. Like for example, if I can say go to the Scholar GPT. So this Scholar GPT, you can see the description, enhance research with 200 million plus resources. So this GPT, this agent has already built in with particular resources for the research. So when you are asking some question, then the question will be related and will be specified based on these resources only, not in general. That is what the beauty of this GPT. Okay, whatever the GPT is, like consciousness, you can see this one also here. You will see ask the research, chat directly with the world's scientific literature, search the references, get simple explanations, write articles backed by academic papers. That is also possible. So this is how you can use this one without a complete prompt like role, task, format. You can give the format and directly you can ask anything, whatever you wanted. This using this GPTs. Here you have categories like education, research and analysis, productivity, lifestyle, DALE, programming. These all are different categories. We have it. So whatever the category which is suitable for you, you can test it and you can work with that. And we have an option to create your own agent also, but you need to have a pro version. If you want to create it, you can see here. If you want to create, you need to have an upgraded version of the chat GPT that you can train your own agent. You can utilize it for your own purpose. Whatever the purpose is for you, you can utilize it. That is the chat GPT plus you require it to get and create it your own agent. But you have an option for free in Gemini. I hope you all know about Gemini, which is from Google, like ChatGPT. The efficiency and accuracy, and there are many parameters which matters, but there is an option that you can create your own chatbot. Like you can see here, there are a few examples already available: Storybook, Chess Champ, Women's World Cup, Brainstormer. If you want, you can create your own agent also. Here you can see Research Assistant, AI Curriculum Developer. I have my own agents. If you want, you can create your own agent. When you just click there, give the name, give the proper prompt. Okay, the prompt should be very clearly defined what exactly your agent should do, and then you can attach the files also here. You can attach the files, you can attach from the importing code, whatever you want, you can attach it. I'll just give one example of my own agent here, YouTube Growth Assistant. So this is my own agent. I want to know a title.
Please, Dr. Mohammed, the screen it's on EBM Watch Soons.
EBM Watch only? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Thank you for, yeah. So this is the Gemini AI agent, which I have given example. So I said that provide me the title for agentic AI session, okay, for the YouTube video, okay. So here it is asking help. I'm your YouTube AI growth assistant. Once I have better understanding, so I can ask the things like, what is the title? It can create me the titles like building an agentic AI from scratch, future of agentic AI for in a specific industry. These titles I can choose, and then I can go to my YouTube channel and then I can promote it. That is how that's possible using your own agent. So like StudyBot is also one of the agent. I have already one example of this one here. Using the StudyBot, I have created this book. So this is one of the book which the question was create a claim machine style storybook for the kids about AI, highlighting how it benefits and easing them to learn AI. So this was the book which was created. How amazing is it, right? What do you think? Is it amazing?
This is a splendid, Dr. Mohammed. Can you please share it with us to read it? Because
Yes.
it's showing
I
that it's
will.
excited. Yeah.
We'll do that. We'll do that. Yeah. So this is a book which was created with a small prompt. Moreover, we can go ahead and we can just chat with the to make the corrections what exactly you wanted. Okay, this is one example of this. And then we have u.com, and here also you can create your own agent. You can train your own agent with your own data, with your own PDF files and all other things. And I'll show you Notebook LM also. And there are many features on Notebook LM. Yeah. So this is one of these are I'm using continuously for my own work. So for example, I have used this one. So here, firstly, I'll show you how to create your own book. Firstly, until unless you don't start with your own workflows, you will not understand. So as it is discussed, we have to start our work with our own practice, with our own data. Then you will be able to learn what exactly how the AI tools are responding to you, what you needed, how you have to train the AI tools and all. Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Are you? Yeah.
Yeah.
So sorry for the disconnection.
No
I don't know what
problem.
happened exactly. Suddenly it got disconnected. I was in my flow and it got disconnected.
Okay,
Yep.
no problem.
So I
So,
was yes. So I was sharing with you about this one here. So this is one example of this. Yeah. So I have given my own resources. Okay. Then I can use it as a podcast. I can generate a video, mind map, reports, flashcards, and quiz. This is freely available with limited sources. If you have a normal Google account, you can use it for that one. And I'll share with you this video which was created here. I hope you all can see the screen.
yeah, but the video is loading and there is no video.
And that I think every teacher asks themselves. You know the feeling. You find that perfect video, you assign it for homework, you just kind of hope for the best. But let's be real. Are your students actually watching it? Are they getting it? Or are they just pressing
Way street into it? You're not just showing a video anymore, you're creating this rich.
getting an ESSA rating like this? That is a very big deal. And this is some tiny little pilot program. The study
Yeah, so this was video automatically created using the Notebook LM. Okay. Yeah, was a Notebook LM application which was created this video, which I have shown you, which was downloaded already. And if you want, you can directly interact with what you wanted. Like, for example, AI tools for project-based learning. So I have attached many different resources, which is my own. Or if you want, you can discover it also. You just type it, what exactly you wanted. The resources will be shared with you. You can select it and place it in your notebook. So this will help you to create podcast. This podcast, even you can participate with the conversation. Okay, here you can see. I hope there is a network issue. It's taking time. Here you can see this is the mind map. I hope you all can see the mind map there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I click on this one, for example, if I need to know about transformers, just double click on this, then you will be knowing the details of that topic. So that is what an example of another, you can say an AI chat agent of this notebook LM from Gemini, that is from Google product. Yeah, this is how you can see this. And if you want something specifically, you can ask that, and you can ask even in a perfect format, like I need it in one page, I need it one paragraph, then it will give you based on your own requirement. So you can see the references are also shown there. The references not from outside, but the references will be shown exactly from your resources, from this one only from these resources. That is what exactly this notebook LM. So this notebook LM is mostly predefined AI chatbot, which works for you, for your purpose, for based on your own documents. This is another example. So like this, we have many examples. I can show you another example of jot forms also. Here, jot forms can work, and you can create your own chatbots without a single line of code. If you want, you can integrate with your WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, and many more applications. And then we have many chat. Then we have a lot of applications which are available in the market. Time won't permit me to explain all those applications. Sorry for that. So meanwhile, we can take the questions also. Let it get loaded, and meanwhile you can take the questions as well.
7 o'clock, start. Now 7 o'clock.
Excuse me.
So
Excuse
I
me.
guess it was by mistake. Yeah, doctor,
Yeah.
there's a question that they said, I don't think that's all totally free. So it's limited, you said, but does that give you
The spoiler no.
many
Not
options?
Where the money?
yes,
Wait.
exactly. All the yeah. So all these applications are not for free, but you can create and you can work for a limited version, or you can say basic version. Basic versions of these all applications are free. If you want it for something very in detail, then they will ask you to upgrade it. Can we take the output of these AI tools as it is? Yes, you can take and you can use it, but you cannot publish it in the research papers. If you are in the public, if you are as a researcher, you cannot do that. You have to rewrite it, because all the research and those tools will be checking AI detection, and you cannot directly publish it on just based of the AI material. But you can utilize in general way, like if you want to use it for teaching, yes, you can do that. If you want to use it for some presentations, you can do that. You cannot make it an author for AI. I hope you have understood my point. Yeah. Any other questions? Can I create an agent for my content creation that will make a proper video with all elements? Yes, you can make it. You can use Google or any other video, what we call video creating tools. You can integrate it, but you have to get the paid versions of that, because all these agents will work and which connect with APIs. So to get the APIs, you have to pay and you have to get pro versions. When you get the pro versions, you will get the APIs, and those APIs can be connected with the AI agents, that is using N8N. You can create a workflow which will take your input and create automatic video, and that video will be uploaded on your YouTube channel also. Yes, N8N Google, Gemini, Gems, and then we have many things. Yes, researchers cannot use AI content because researchers is a very big platform where you have to use our own minds, which is God has given, the Almighty. We have to use our own mind in the research. You can utilize it, but in a minimum extent as an assistant. Yeah, this is a workspace for the jot forms where you can able to create these agents. Like you can see create agent. I hope I have already created. You can see these are the options are available here. Forms, AI agent, workflows, apps, boards, reports, and tables. If you click on AI agent, you will be able to create an AI agent with the different options. You will be finding options like to have a chat, to have voice chat, to have integrated with the social media platforms. You can automate that, but still this is also will give you 100 messages for free. And apart from that, then you will be able to go ahead and pay and get the pro version. Yeah, you can describe it for the recruitment, for the appointment, feedback, and customer support. I'll show you one example here already I have created. I don't want to waste that. Yeah, this is an appointment coordinator, data processing analyst. For example, if I click on this, this was an AI agent which was created already. Difference between AI and augmented AI. So basically, I have explained exact what AI is. Augmented AI means which is mostly you augmented or you audit the things. Those are called as augmented AI. And there was a question, which tool is helpful in the research work? In the research work, there are many tools like PaperPal, ResearchPal, Elicit, Notebook LM. These are the tools which are helpful for the research. It's taking a lot of time. I hope internet is not stable and it is taking a lot of time. Let's finish off this one. Yeah, fairness, transparency, human control, and privacy. And how you will be able to learn these all the topics of these AI agents. You will find the books. There are a lot of books which are already available for free. Online courses available from Coursera, edX, Udacity, and then there are many other platforms available. Then GitHub is a very good platform, and even we have a Kaggle is also one of the very good platform. You will be able to learn for free. Start simple, as we already discussed, that iterate often and then start working with these applications promptly. You will be able to learn when you start using it. So future of AI agents, you have already seen many examples of those. Yes. Yeah, this is one of the simple examples of AI agents, and I hope I have given most of things. If you want to connect with me, you can connect and let's discuss more about it. If you have any questions, you can come up with the questions also. We have time, I hope, right? What's the
Yeah,
time now?
doctor. Thank you. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So I'm open for the question answers. If you have any questions,
Okay.
let's discuss on it.
But first of all, thank you very much, Dr. Mohammed, for such a dynamic and interactive session. We really enjoyed with it, and we hope that it will never end. But yeah, unfortunately, time is time. Okay.
Yes.
So we
Exactly.
can take that just a quick question if you have. Yeah. So Lilia, she said, can you describe more jot form? I guess you can go to the YouTube and tap. There is a video.
Yes.
Yeah. It will enter
Yeah,
text.
this is the jot forms. Yeah, this is the jot form where you will find the conversations where you can create the AI agents. As I said here, you will be able to create the forms. This is basically which was started to have the like Google Forms, but now they have improved it and they have updated with all AI tools like AI agent, workflows, apps also you can do it, and then there is an e-sign tables. All these applications are available. If you want to have an AI agent, you can see this is an example. You can interact with the AI agent here, data extraction and all those things. You can do that. And you can go to the live chat and you can start. You don't have any conversations are listed here. You can use this one and you can explore it more on their own channels as well. Yes. What is the difference between agent and a bot? Yeah. So basically, AI agent will be an automated form of AI application, but AI bot is a chat bot, like you are chatting using any AI application, like ChatGPT is a AI chatbot, Perplexity is an AI chatbot, and then we have Gemini is an AI chatbot, which will not automate your works, but agent will automate your works. Like someone asked me a question that can generate videos. Yes, AI agent can generate the videos, and not only generating the video, but it will upload to your YouTube channel. It will do the social, what is that, SEO optimizations. All the tools can be done automatic. Those things can be automated. That is called as an AI agent. I hope I have answered your question.
Yeah, all they said, this is amazing session. Thank you very much, Dr.
Thank you.
Mohammed, for accepting to be on this program as a mentor, and hope you to see you in our next session, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah, so thank you again, and new thank you for you. As we said, Jazakallah kulla khair, inshallah. And so your final word, Dr. Mohammed, to close this session.
Yeah, thank you all the participants for wonderful participation with me. As I said, you to participate on the UCLAP, you was participating with me. Thank you one and all, and thank you all the organizers, also organizing team as well, for setting up of the platform to share the knowledge. And that's all for me. As I said, we have to start exploring ourselves, start utilizing it. No need to fear anything, no need to fear with anyone. Start using it. All those are free and those all are available for your use itself. It's for you. Okay. All those companies are creating applications for you. So start using it. Then you will experience and you will be able to automate your workflows. You will be able to automate things. Amazingly, you will feel the experience. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you very much for this precious advice for you. And I guess now it's our turn to take what you shared and go deeper. So to all of you and participants, so this is what you're gonna do next. Take today's experience as your foundation. Apply what you saw, experiment, make mistakes, and most importantly, keep exploring. So agentic AI isn't something we understand in 1 hour or 2 or half. It's something we master by building, reflecting, and staying curious. So thank you again, Dr. Mohammed, for opening that door for us with generosity, clarity, and depth. We look forward to more collaboration in the future. So for everyone, here is just the beginning. Just keep going. So see you on our next session. It will be going more deeper and more interesting with the Python. It will be introduction to Python. So see you all on Thursday. For that time, take care and safe, all of you. Good evening.
Thank you.
So please, Dr.
Yes, thank you.
Mohammed, stay. Yeah.